Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Electric Educator. So here we will be dealing with the few electrical engineering subjects. In case if you are not able to concentrate properly or you have missed a lot of classes, then this channel is going to help you a lot. So see the link of the channel, it's Electrical Educator. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can instantly get the videos as and when it is released. So here in this particular session we will be having a brief discussion about the subject electric motors. So we all know that anything which is associated with motion, the movement is called as a motor, and a mechanical movement then we call it as an electric motor. So basically electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So the objectives of this particular course is to study the constructional features of motors and select a suitable drive for specific application. So we know that we have two different types of supplies, AC and DC, and also depending on the availability of these supplies, the type of motor is being used. Now for what particular application, which type of motor is to be used, that we can study from this course. To study the constructional features of three-phase and single-phase induction motors. So the 90% of the motors used in the industries nowadays are three-phase induction motors. So it is necessary for us to understand what is the constructional features of these motors, so that if we are interested in machine design, we can remodify the existing designs and develop a more efficient motor. So to study different tests to be conducted for the assessment of the performance characteristic of motors. So basically we know that none of the devices are 100% efficient because there is always losses associated in electrical machines. So various tests have been conducted in order to identify what are the losses in the machine and what is at different loads. So to study the speed control of motor by different methods. So there will be different application which requires a variable speed processing. So in such cases, we need to have a suitable setup to control the speed of any type of motor. So various motors have different types of speed control techniques that we shall be studying. So explain the construction and operation of synchronous motor and special motors. Synchronous motor are the motors which are basically used for constant speed applications, and we shall be dealing with it for some time. And other than that, there are certain special motors which are called as brushless motors, stepper motors, servo motors, linear induction motors, which are the recent trends for different applications. So we will be having a little discussion on those motors also. So after studying this course, a student will be able to explain the construction, operation and classification of DC motor, AC motor and special purpose motors, describe the performance characteristics and application of electric motors, demonstrate and explain the methods of testing of DC machines and determine losses and its efficiency, control the speed of DC motor and induction motor, and the starting methods, equivalent circuit, phasor diagram, torque angle, effect of change in excitation and change in load, hunting and damping of synchronous motors. So for this particular subject, I'll be referring the following textbooks. First one is Electrical Machines by Professor D.P. Kothari and I.J. Nagrath. It is published by McGraw-Hill Publications, and we are looking for the 4th edition. So the link for this Next will is a major book for electrical machines. Some of the topics might be complicated. For easier approach, we'll have different textbook. So the second book which I will be referring is Theory of Alternating Current Machines by Professor Alexander Langsdorff. This is also published by Tata McGraw-Hill, but I currently don't recommend this book to the students who are learning this course for the first time. So this is basically for the people who have mastered the subject and relearning it. So for the time being, who are learning this course for the first time, I don't recommend this textbook. The third book is a simpler English book which is easier to understand. So it is Electrical Machines by Professor Ashfaq Hussain, published by Dhanpat Rai and Co. Second edition, 2013. So the link for this book also will be put up in the description. So these are the things which we will be dealing in our upcoming classes. So until then, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.